Good morning, guys. Today we are discussing about last part of computer networking and internet, that is topology. The first we have to understand what is topology. Topology is a network. Is a pattern in which nodes means different devices like computer, printer, router, all are connected to a LAN, means local area network, or other networks via like twisted copper wire cable, optical fiber cable. These are the normally different devices connected to each other through a local area network or other networking. So normally there are so many types of topologies as there, the like bus topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, tree topology, and a hybrid topology. So now we are discussing about one by one. What is first we are discussing about the bus topology. So first you have to understand what is bus topology. Bus topology is a network type in which every computer or network devices is connected to each other in a single cable, and in this data is transferred in only one direction. If you are sending from right to left, it's only right to left. If you are sending left to right, it's only left to right, not no in dual direction. And every devices is connected to that single cable. It has also so much advantages and disadvantages. Advantages is like that it is cost effective. Cable is the requiring cable is less is compared to other network topology, and it is used in a small network. It's not a vast area, and it's easy to understand, easy to expand. Means if you want to join any two cables together, it is expandable normally. And what is the disadvantages? Disadvantages is that if any cable is fail, if some devices is not working, then whole topologies will not work. Means if network traffic is heavy or nodes are more, the performance of the network is decreases. Yeah, it's very slow. When you're in our languages, that time network will be very slow. And if ये जेहेतु कौन it is a small network, for that reason cables are also a limited length. We don't expand it up to as required as we need, but it's in some extent we will expand it, not more than that. And it is slower. Speed of the topologies is slower than other topologies. Here is the advantages and disadvantages, you will note down it. Now we are going to ring topology. It is first you will understand what is ring topology. It is called ring topology because it forms a ring as each node or each devices with the last one is connected to the first, means they are connected to each other like a ring. Ring is a round shape. We don't have we don't understand what is the start and which one is the last one. So like that, each the computers, each devices are connected to each other, so that it seems like a ring. So exactly two means each computers are neighbors to each other. We don't tell that it's not, it's never, it not it neighbor, but each are connected to each other, so that each will be neighbor of others. Then a number of repeaters are used for ring topology with large number of nodes, means we will connect as much as computers we want. Because if someone wants to send some data to the last node in the ring topology, suppose there are 100 computers, then if I want to send the data from first computer to 100th number of computer, then it will pass through the each 99 computers, not exactly from first to last. It will pass through the 199 computers, then reach the if you want to send from 99 to 25th, it will also from 25th to 99, that how much nodes or computers are connected, it will go through that computer. So hence, to prevent data loss, repeater in here to prevent the data loss, repeaters are used. Then the transmission is unidirectional, but it can be made bidirectional by having two connections between each network node. It is called a dual linked, means if it is bidirectional, we will send data in any direction, east to west or west to east at a time we will use. But if we use two connections, means we will made it bidirectional, means we will send data in each direction by having two connections between each network mode, which is called a dual ring topology. In dual ring topology, two ring networks, means there is one ring topology and another ring topology are formed, and the data flow in opposite direction in them, means two rings topologies are connected and data is flow in any direction, means which direction you want to, if from me to you or you to me, in any direction. If suppose one ring topology fails, the second ring can act as a backup. Like in your phone, in our computer, we are keeping backup, like that. If sometimes one ring topology is not working, second one is working as their backup. Then its advantages. Advantage means network is affected by high traffic, means transmitting network is not affected by high traffic, or adding more nodes is only the nodes having taken can transmit data, means हम जितना भी नोड ऐड करें ट्रैफिक जाम इसमें कम होता है, लेस अकॉर्डिंग कंपैरिजन टू दी बस टोपोलॉजी इतना ट्रैफिक नहीं होता है. हम चाहे तो नोट ज़्यादा मतलब ऐड कर सकते हैं, ट्रैफिक जाम ज़्यादा नहीं होता है. और ये थोड़ा सस्ता है इंस्टॉल करने के लिए, मतलब कॉस्ट ऑफ दैट इक्विपमेंट रिक्वायर्ड इन दैट टोपोलॉजी इज चीप, very cheap, and it will expandable. What is the disadvantages? Because disadvantages normally is that in a ring topology it will very difficult to find where is the exact trouble. If you are sending data from 5 to 25th, if any problem occurred in means 26th node, 26th or 30th node, which one is 30th, we have, it is little bit difficult to find. So that is the most important point. And if we are adding or deleting the nodes, it will disturb the network activity. Actually we can add or delete the nodes, means any devices, but it will little disturbing the network. If in that ring topology, if any computer fails, means if any devices will not working, then whole network will not work. It is the major disadvantages of that topology. You will find write down the advantages and disadvantages, then we will go to the next topology. Okay, we will go to the next page. Then we are going for a star topology. What are the star topology? In this type of topology, all the nodes, all the devices, all the computers are connected to a single hub through a cable. So this hub is the central node, and all other nodes are connected to the central node. Means suppose like our college is the central nodes, and we are connected to each other, like through that hub. Means you are connected to me, yeah, I am connected to you through that college. Example is like that. Then what is the feature? Each node has its own direction, own dedicated connection to the hub. Means each are responsible for their connection to the hub. A hub acts as a repeater for data flow. Means in any direction data will flow in that. In that we will can use twisted pair, optical fiber and coaxial cable. we don't have any problem. Then what are the advantages? It is fast performance with few nodes and low network. Each mean traffic network is very low, and the hub can be upgraded easily. It will updated easily, and where is suppose any problem occurs, so we will find where is the exact problem is. Then easy to set up and modify. If any modification is required, it is very easy to do that. And only that node is affected, which says if suppose some node is failed, will only what matlab, it is only that node will not work, and the rest of the nodes or rest of the devices will work properly, that don't have any issue. Then what is the actually disadvantages? Then we will go for that. Disadvantages is cost of installation is very high. It is costlier than that other topologies. Then little bit expense to use. If hub fails, suppose main hub is fell, means if any, suppose we are connected to each other, like I am told that college through college, if any problem occur in, suppose computer college is our main hub, if any problem occurs in our college, then it will whole network will be stopped. If any problem will occur in our college, so whole network will be stopped. Then because the nodes are different upon the hub, then the performance is based on the hub, that is it depends upon its capacity. What is the capacity of the hub is, then the performance it is depend upon that. Then you will note down the advantages and disadvantages. Please. Then we are going to mesh topology. What is mesh topology? It is a point to point connected to each other node or devices. Means here all networks are connected to each other. There is no problem. Each computers are connected to each other. There are two techniques to transmit data over the mesh topology. One is routing, one is flooding. What is routing? In routing, nodes have a routing logic as per the network requirement, like routing logic to direct the data to reach the destination using the shortest distance. Suppose there in that picture there are four computers are connected to each other. We want to send the data from first one to the last one. Here it will fire the means in that topology the network will decide what is the shortest distance between first and fourth. Sorry. Then in that direction it will send the data. It is the main mesh topology routing. Then we will go for the mesh topology flooding. In flooding, the same data is transmitted to all network nodes, hence no routing logic is required. In flooding, suppose I want to send data from first to fourth, in that all data will go to first, second, third, fourth. Data will send from first to second, third, fourth. So network reboost, and so it's very unlikely to lose the data. Suppose it will not reach the fourth, we have the backup in second and third. And but it leads to unwanted load over the network. But it has some loads, because we want to send data only to the fourth. So if it will go to 2 and third, so it will little bit load is more on that network. Then types of mesh topology. In mesh topology there are also types. Then types of mesh topology, there are two types of mesh topology. One is partial mesh topology, one is full mesh topology. What is partial mesh topology? In that topology, some of the systems are connected in the same fashion as mesh topology, but some devices are only connected to 2 or 3. Means suppose there are 20 nodes or 20 devices are connected. From that 20, suppose 12 or 13 are connected to each other, to every devices but rest 8 are connected to 4 or 5 or 2 to 3 computers. That was the normally partial mesh topology. Full mesh what is full mesh topology? In full mesh topology, each and every nodes or devices are connected to each other. Means the 20 computers are connected to 20 into 20 times, means each are connected to each devices. Then what is the feature? It is reboost, not flexible, fully connected. What is the normally we will go for the previous page for the figure. Then we will understand what is the advantages of mesh topology. Each connection can carry its own data load, and it is reboost, provides security and privacy. इसमें security भी है, privacy है, आपका डाटा secure रहेगा. What are the disadvantages? Installation and configuration is very difficult. This is the most disadvantages. And cable cost is very more. And bulk wiring is required. इसमें ज़्यादा वायरिंग की ज़रूरत होता है, तो ज़्यादा थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है चीज़. So you will note down first the things, then we will go for the next. It is the types of topology, and here the features and advantages are here there. Now we are going for the next topology, that is tree topology. It has normally what is tree topology? It has a root node and all other nodes are connected to it, forming as a hierarchy. Means it is also called hierarchical topology. Means like that in our college, suppose senior member is chairman sir, इनका अंडर में मैनेजमेंट है, मैनेजमेंट के अंडर या मतलब दो पार्ट सपोज है, एक मैनेजमेंट है, एक प्रिंसिपल सर है, प्रिंसिपल के सर के अंडर हम सब आते हैं, मतलब टीचिंग स्टाफ, नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ, फिर उसके अंदर हमारी अंडर आप लोग स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं, उसके मतलब अंडर भी, मतलब आप लोगों का भी जैसे ब्रांच वाइज होता है, इलेक्ट्रिकल, सिविल, ETC, लाइक दैट, मैकेनिकल, लाइक दैट. ओके, it will come, you will clearly understand what I told from that figure. Here one is normally in that topology, one is used, means wide area network, and most important is it has at least 3 level of hierarchy, means like that chairman sir, then management, then our principal sir, then principal sir के अंडर हम लोग, मतलब teachers and students, like that. At least 3 levels are required in that hierarchy. What are this what is its advantages? Advantages is means expansion of nodes is possible and very easy. If you want to expand the nodes, expand the number of devices, it is very easy and possible also, easily managed and maintained, and error detection is easily done. Means if any error is occurred, it is very easy to detect or means find the errors. What is disadvantage? This is heavily cabled, means बहुत ज़्यादा केबल इसमें यूज होता है, and it is also very costly. If more nodes are added, maintenance is difficult. If central hub fails, network will fail. Means like it has also some central hub, means like chairman sir, if there is any issue from that, there all the network will be disturbed. Please write down the advantages and disadvantages, then we will go for the next and last topology. Last topology is hybrid topology. It is what is hybrid? You know that mixture of two things is hybrid. Like that, it is a mixture of two or more topologies. For example, if any of in our office, suppose you see the graph first. In our office, suppose we are using what is ring topology, and other department in one department is using ring topology and other department is using star topology, and that when we're connecting these two topology, it will result as a hybrid topology. Here one is bus topology, another is what? Pre-topology. It will connected as both two are connected as hybrid topology. Then we are going to its feature. Sorry. Features is normally it is the combination of two or more topologies, inherits the advantages and disadvantages. Means if tree and what tree and bus topology is connected to create a hybrid topology, the advantages is the combination of advantages of tree topology and bus topology, and disadvantages also like that, the combination of that. Normally how does the advantages is reliable is एरर डिटेक्टिंग एंड ट्रबल शूटिंग इज इजी. इसमें ट्रबल क्या है, प्रॉब्लम क्या है, एरर पर इज द एरर, इट विल ये फाइंड करना बहुत आसान है. इफेक्टिव है, केबल है, साइज कैन बी हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से हम केबल को इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज भी कर सकते हैं, एंड इट इज़ फ्लेक्सिबल. और डिसएडवांटेजेस इज complex in design and it is cost effective normally. So you please note down the things, then next class we go for the rest of the part. Hope you should understand the thing what I am told. If any problem you can contact me, we will go for the further next session. Thank you.